Hi guys, welcome back to X and Moon channel. Months ago, I have diverted to use this online broker called TD Ameritrade to buy stocks. I have also done some research on this company. TD Ameritrade is one of the largest brokerage firms in the US. Back in December 2019, it was acquired by Charles Schwab, another large investment brokerage firm, which resulted in having a market share of more than 7% as of now. Why am I using this online broker instead of others? In this video, I'm going to explain an overview of the process from setting up the account, transferring the funds, and placing a trade order for buying and selling stocks. Firstly, setting up an account. The registration process is totally online. Go to their website. The link is attached in the description below. Filling up all the information required and signing off a few declaration forms, then you are good to go. There are nothing complicated in the fields of the form. It took me less than 1 hour to fill up all the fields. The con is the unexpected long account opening time due to the large volume. Personally, it took me more than 2 months to get the account set up. Second, transferring funds. The most direct way is to do a direct transfer from DBS account to TD Ameritrade account. Make sure you key in your account number, which is the 9-digit numbers, in the comment section before you click transferring. It roughly takes around 3 business days for the money to be reflected in the money available in the position of the account. Note that there is no minimum funds required for the transfer or to maintain minimum balance of deposit. You can just transfer less than $100 for starter. There are also other ways of transferring, such as check, wire transfer, and transfer from another broker. For more details, go to the website, check on the procedure, or speak to the customer service officer for clarification. Thirdly, placing a trade order for selling and buying. After setting up the account, I downloaded the Think or Swim app in my mobile phone. With a few clicks, I can easily place the trade order. To place the trade order, at the Order tab, key in the ticker of the stock, click Buy or Sell. Usually, I will select Limit and key in the trade price. That means this is the price I am willing to buy at or below. The most attractive thing of this online broker is it offers 0 commission rate since the end of 2019. Compared to other brokerage firms, which usually charge minimum $10 of the commission fee, this actually makes a difference if I only plan to buy one stock. For example, if I intend to buy a Facebook stock at $270. However, if the brokerage firm charge additional $10, the real cost of trade is $280 for one stock. Note that this 0 commission rate is only applicable to US listed stocks, ETF, exchange traded fund. For option or futures, there are certain charges applied on the contract. I think this online broker is a great start for all the beginners because it offers 0 commission fee and it has an easy to use online platform. It also has an education center where we can explore the articles and video or different topics such as the stocks, ETF, options, or strategies. Comment below to share with us your thoughts. If you are using this online broker or any other online broker, we would like to hear more from you. Do subscribe to our channel as we post weekly on personal finance, investment, and property investment. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.